Number two, the spillover from the last sprint is not discussed. This is an interesting point. On the one side, related to the sunk cost fallacy, come on, we put so much effort into those stories of the last sprint, we're almost done, let's finish them. But I believe that every story that spills over needs to be discussed. Is it still valuable? Is it still the best use of the team's time? If this is not happening, you're running some kind of time box Kanban, which is okay too, but you shouldn't call it Scrum. And there's another issue we will come back to at a later stage. The question why there is a spillover in the first place. Did the team run into dependencies? Was there too much taken on? Where the story is not refined enough, technical debt, capacity overestimated? Maybe people were on sick leave or people decided to quit the company or the project. Who knows? The issue is that spillovers are certainly an anti-pattern in and of itself. And you need to watch out for that. If that's a regular pattern, you need to address it.